How to collect rings fast in Sonic Rumble. First of all, open the game on your device and head to the main screen. From here, tap on play to join a match and start collecting rings as you compete against other players. Rings are one of the most important currencies in Sonic Rumble. They help you unlock new characters, buy outfits and upgrade your abilities faster. To collect rings quickly, focus on winning minigames and finishing in higher positions. The better you perform in each round, the more rings you will earn as rewards. Always try to stay ahead of your opponents and complete objectives efficiently to maximize your ring count after every match. Next, make sure to participate in special events and daily missions. These often offer bonus rings as rewards for completing simple challenges like finishing a certain number of races or collecting a specific amount of rings in one session. Keep checking the events section regularly to take advantage of limited time ring bonuses. You can also collect rings faster by opening reward chests or completing milestones. As you level up your character and progress through the game, you will unlock additional rewards that often include large amount of rings. If you want to boost your ring earnings even more, check out the shop section for ring packs or limited time offers that can help you progress faster. Now you know how to collect rings fast in Sonic Rumble. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.